we can see some of the countries following some new ideologies. So they made an experiment, USSR, that what is USSR, children? USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. So they experimented with the socialism. So what is this socialism? So under which the state owned all land, factories and banks and adopted planned development. Okay. So in this the system of socialism, so all the means of production. So what are the means of production? Land and banks and factories, industries, everything will be under the government. Okay, everything will be under the government, and this government, they will work for the people. So they will work for the people. Okay, so here, and also these socialist governments, they will sought to ensure equality and fraternity of all people. They will regard all the people equal, and all the benefits of the development activities and welfare activities and schemes will be given equal priority to all the people equally. Okay, so that is what socialism. And some other countries like USA, so they adopted liberal democracy. So that is, what is liberal democracy? What is liberalism? Liberal in the sense giving importance to others' opinion. Okay, so that is called liberal. Okay, so giving freedom to say our opinion, that is liberal. Okay, so liberal democracy, which ensured political liberty for all with multi-party democracy. Everybody has the political liberty. Okay, free to express themselves, to participate in the government activities. Okay, that is called as liberalism. So political liberty as well as being liberal. Okay, what is the liberal? Giving importance. Okay, everybody can express themselves of the government activities is called liberal. Okay, and what is multi-party system? Multi-party system in the sense, so many parties, many people will be given opportunity to participate in the elections, so that everybody will get opportunity to say their opinions. Okay, so if a country has a single party, in the single party system, what happens? The government will grow dominant. They will grow dominant, and here they also will become dictators. They will become dictators. Okay, so in a democracy, multi-party system is very important, so that the government will be responsible to the opposition party as well as the government, as well as the people. And also USA followed the capitalistic system. What is the capitalistic economic system in this sense? So here, the means of production. What are the means of production? As I told you before, they are the lands, factories, and lands, factories, banks, everything will be under the private individuals. That is called as capitalism. In the socialism, all the means of production will be under the government, whereas in the capitalism, all the means of production will be under the private individuals. So here, these are the two policies followed by the two developed countries, US and USSR. Okay, with these two ideologies, they became very dominant, and they became two of these countries. They grew very powerful after the world wars. US and USSR, they grew very dominant after the world wars. Okay, so at the beginning of the 20th century, the world was divided into developed industrial countries of the West. Okay, developed industrial countries of the West, and the rest of the countries. What are the rest of the countries? The colonial countries, which are of the Asian Africa. This Asian African was economically backward countries, and so here they were made the colonies of the developed countries. Okay, what are the Western countries, economically grown countries? They are Britain, USA, Germany, France, Italy, Japan. Okay, Britain, USA, Germany, France, and Italy and Japan are the economically developed countries, and the economically backward countries are the rest of the countries. What are the rest of the countries? They are the colonial countries of the Asia and Africa. Okay, so these were the colonies of these Western countries. Most of the European countries made these Asian and African countries as their colonies. Again, these industrially developed countries, they were they split into two groups. Okay, two enemy groups or blocks. We can say two enemy blocks. Okay, Germany, Austria, Hungary were one side. Britain, France, Russia were the other side. Okay, here we can see these developed countries, again they are divided into two power blocks: Allied powers and the Axis powers. Allied powers: Britain, Germany, Russia, USA come into Allied powers, and whereas Germany, Italy, Japan, and Austria come into Axis powers. Okay, and there was a stiff competition among these developed countries. Again, they made some alliances. Okay, they make some alliances. Alliances is nothing but a group or a block. Okay, they split into two power blocks, and they formed as Allied powers and Axis powers. Okay, Britain, France, Russia, and America, they come into Allied powers, and Germany, Italy, and Japan and Austria, they were the Axis powers. Okay, and today I'm going to give a map pointing for you. You have to point out these nations, Allied powers and Axis powers. Okay, so I will give you a small outline here. Take a world political map and point. So here you can see here, this is USA, and this is also Alaska. Alaska is also the part of USA. So when you are asked USA, you have to point out these two places. Okay, when we take an outline map, please make the outline of the countries also here. Okay, make the outline of the countries and point out the places. And here Japan, children, here Japan, here, and other part we see England. Okay, and more, so USA, and here this is UK, England, and here Japan, and this is Russia. Okay, approximately, that is not a exact, but you have to make a outline of the country when you point out. Take only outline map, and you have to make the outlines, and you have to point out. Okay, children. Next, coming to Germany. Here Germany, this is Germany, and here Germany, here only Austria, and one more is Italy. Okay, children, and complete the map pointing. And children, today only you have to submit, post the maps. Okay, and if second lesson is not completed, complete the second lesson notes and post. Okay, and any doubts are there, message me. And thank you, children. Have a nice day. We will stop the session today. Okay.